What's up everybody? In this video I'm going to show you new meme coin on Base blockchain. Previously I made a video about Bread. Bread is actually one of the biggest one right now, and I really truly believe that could be a second biggest meme coin. It just launched recently. It's slowly picking up a lot of hype, and I think it has a huge potential to do 10x, 100x, 1000x, maybe even more. And it's not too late to get in because price is still affordable. But before I show the project, just have to state something. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice. This video is for educational and entertainment purpose only. Always do your own research before investing money into anything. So this project, it's called BaseChain, and as you can see, they posted official contract address here because there's a lot of scam coins coming up. They have a website and they already have 14,000 followers on their Twitter account, and they constantly posting stuff. And there's also a lot of crypto influencers also promoting and talking about this coin as well. And one of the hypest thing I wanted to show you guys about this project, when they were launching, when they were raising some money, they opened up to public and they wanted to raise, I think the hard cap was 20 ETH. And within 3 hours, they were able to raise $6 million. This is like 1800 ETH. Of course, they refunded most of it, but this is how much hype this project was getting. In 3 hours, they raised $6 million. And then if we take a look at their website, as you can see, you're based bro, they have Telegram and they have a Twitter. If we scroll down, there's not a whole lot yet, but you can buy Base right here and also Base chart. And then coming soon, probably they're just developing the website and they'll have more stuff. So let's take a look at their DEX tools. This is one of the most important graph. So right here, as you can see, that it went from the launch, it's already went up, but it's going kind of sideways. Still, it's at that very early stage. Each token, it's not even a penny, so you can get like 2 tokens for cent, maybe even more. And as you can see, holders 5.45k, so almost 5,500, and the circulation supply is only 1 billion. So if we're gonna compare to any other meme coins, this circulation supply is very small, and the market cap 4.25 million, so it's very low market cap. And I think this project easily can do 10x, 100x, 1000x, maybe even more, because the market cap is still low and supply is low as well. So there's still a lot of potentials and a lot of gains to be made. And then we can take a look at their coin Gecko link right here. So they're also on the coin Gecko, and I think on coin market cap as well. You can see the graph, and then you can scroll down and see all times low and all times high. This is since they're listed on coin Gecko. So like I said earlier, it's still at very early stage. And if we press on markets, you can see that you can purchase this token on Uniswap using BaseChain. And this is pretty much it. This is just a quick alpha for you guys. Project at very early stage. I don't think this project even a week old. Price is right, very affordable, and the circulation supply or total supply is very little compared to other meme coins. This project still has a lot of potentials, and I think in the mid bull run, I think this project is going to do very well. Of course, before investing money into anything, always do your own research. Thanks for watching.